messing around the last few days, if you wonder what I've been doing. Messing around with this little radio, I guess you want to call it. Literally just messing around. This ain't no NASA experiment or something that's made to NASA specifications, right? But you know, it's just a project, for heaven's sakes. That CM whatever it was, TV tuner, bonder, whatever, it's been disemboweled, to say the least. I said it makes better use as a project box for a receiver or something, but that's just basically what I've decided to do with it. The meter doesn't do anything at the moment. I'm planning on getting it to work later on, but for now, all the switches are still intact. That switch, 3 switches here. I put a BNC connector on this side here. I got the variable capacitor here. I got an attenuator, I guess, or whatever you want to call it, right here. Got a 5-volt regulator put here, and a voltage adjuster right here. And the whole contraption runs on 2 9-volt batteries. One 9-volt battery runs the radio. The other 9-volt battery runs the audio amplifier that you've seen in previous videos, or previous video that I made. Works quite well, I may add. I had one modification I had to do with this one. I was having a lot of interference from FM, basically, radio stations on FM. And how I managed to eliminate it, or I guess attenuate the FM band from getting into the audio amplifier, well, I had one little capacitor right there across the audio leads, and that there effectively destroyed the FM broadcast interference I was getting on the audio amplifier. So I'm just going to do a little demonstration of this contraption, and yeah, so let's put on the 9-volt battery to get the amplifier going. Let's turn on the radio. I could use this switch up here to turn power on. There you go. That's it. With the tuning capacitor. There we have it. A little short clip on the radio. It's you know, just messing around. The capacitor or inductor can disappear. It's not actually doing anything. Yesterday I was messing around with different inductors here, auto-tuning. I was trying to spread it up a little bit, spread it open. But I think all the spreading is going to happen over here on the inductor here. So basically the antenna is coupled to the circuit by 2 turns. The antenna is coupled to ground on 2 turns, and the circuit is coupled onto the antenna 28 turns. So basically this is what the schematic was supposed to look like. It works. Apparently this thing was supposed to work into the shortwave bands, but yeah, it seems to favor more AM or FM. What it seems to favor more than anything. So, I'm planning on playing around with the inductor here, actually. See if I can get this thing to go into the shortwave bands, because that's where I'd like to have it to. But anyways, there's neither here and there. But yeah, that's where she is now. And nothing fancy. I'm sure it's not NASA approved, but hey, it's called experimenting, and something you don't see a lot of anymore, actually. I mean, real homebrew, messing around experimentation. And here it is, right here, in all its glory. It's like a collaboration of parts doing a certain thing, I guess. Anyways, that's the receiver. This is just something I'm messing around with. The audio amplifier, which you've seen before, which is all based off of this here schematic. Anyways, take her easy. All the best, and let's see what else I can come up with. All the best. We're on.